Hey traders, today is 22nd of November 2018. So this is live trading for crude oil futures market January contract 2019. So at this moment my trading setup just provide me a short sell signal. So I already entered the market at 53.99. There's a slippage here, so yeah, we are about 7 ticks below the entry level, which is here. This is the entry level, already break the nearest low, and hopefully this one is a good trade. Now the price try to reverse back up. Okay, this doesn't look any good, but still the market looks quite bearish at this moment. There's a reversal during US session just now. Now hopefully the bearish will prevail along the night before market close early today for Thanksgiving holiday. So we are at 10 ticks. Target is 50 ticks or 60 ticks. Hopefully you can reach without any problem. So let's wait and see. Things looks good. We are 120 US dollar in profit, 130. So by the way, this is one lot short positions. $160, that's the highest just now. 160. So this is okay. Sorry, my entry is here. So 150 at this moment. So this is going to take a while. If the market spike or move fast, then it will be very good and advantage for us. So we can maybe make to the destination much more faster. Okay, 150 still. Is it my platform responsive again? So never mind. Let me show you the chart. So I'm using TradingView by the way for my chart. So as you can see, I'm entering somewhere here. If 1 second. Yeah. So now the market move to the downside. It looks good. Now 72, maybe around 20 ticks already. So let's take a look if my platform already. Yeah. So we are 220, 22 ticks. So hopefully can reach now 260. It looks good so far. So I will wait. Hopefully hopefully there's no reversal. Let's hope. Okay, let's go back to the chart. The chart looks pretty much okay at this moment. I think my laptop is too heavy, so I will pause this video and resume back later.